Hello everyone, this is Jigyasa, your physics expert, and today we are going to do numericals based on myopia and hypermetropia. Starting with the first numerical, the far point of a myopic person is 80 cm in front of the eye. What is the nature and power of lens required to correct the defect? एक myopic eye 80 सेंटीमीटर तक देख सकती है. दैट मीन्स जो उसकी इमेज है इट्स पोजिशन इज 80 सेंटीमीटर. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द नेचर एंड पावर ऑफ द लेंस. टू थिंग्स यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो वी कैन राइट आउट 80 सेंटीमीटर. यू शुड बी एट इंफिनिटी. मायोपिक आई में द पर्सन इज नॉट एबल टू सी द फार ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स. जो दूर के ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं वो नहीं देख सकता. मायोपिक आई 80 सेंटीमीटर तक देख सकती है. दैट मीन्स इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड एट 80 सेंटीमीटर. सो इट्स यू विल बी एट इंफिनिटी. एज यू कैन सी इन द डायग्राम एंड टेकिंग द साइन कन्वेंशंस, वी विल बी माइनस, you will also be minus, as both are at the left side. We will use lens formula, which is 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. We'll put the values. V is minus 80 and u is infinity, minus infinity. And from here we can easily find out the value of f. 1 by infinity is 0. So focal length comes out to be minus 80 centimeter. Now as the focal length is negative, it indicates the lens used here will be concave lens. Concave lens has negative focal length. Now we know power is equal to 1 by f when f is in meters, but now here we have focal length in centimeter. Convert it into meters by multiplying it by 100. It will be minus 10 by 8, which is equal to minus 1.25 diopters. So power is minus 1.25 diopters. Moving to our second numerical, it is also based on myopia. A person suffering from myopia can see clearly only up to a distance of 2 meters. What is the nature and power of lens required to rectify this defect? As this myopic eye can see up to a distance of 2 meters, that means its image will be at 2 meters. This we can convert it into centimeters. It will be 200 centimeter. And if we see the previous question in the diagram, same diagram will be followed for the second numerical. Here u will be negative and v will also be negative. So you have to just remember that you have to take both u and v with a negative sign. Now we'll use lens formula. Lens formula will be 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Placing the values, v is minus 200 and u is minus infinity. Minus minus is plus, 1 by infinity is 0. So focal length comes out to be minus 200 centimeter. Negative value of focal length indicates that lens used is concave. So nature of the lens comes out to be concave. Now we'll use the formula for power. Power is equal to 1 by f. Focal length should be in meters, but here focal length is in centimeter. We'll convert it by multiplying it by 100. So our power comes out to be minus 1 by 2, which is equal to minus 0.5 diopters. So this is your answer. Next numerical is based on hypermetropia. The near point of a hypermetropic eye is 1 meter. That means जो hypermetropic eye है वो इमेज 1 मीटर तक बना सकती है, जिसकी इमेज जो है वो 1 मीटर पे बन रही है. What is the nature and power of the lens required to correct this defect? For a hypermetropic eye, the near point is given to be 1 meter, but for a normal eye, the near point is 25 centimeter. So here your V will be 1 meter, which is equal to 100 centimeter, and U will be 25 centimeters. As you can see from the diagram, both are at the left side, so we'll use negative sign with U and V. Again we'll be using lens formula. We cannot use mirror formula here because we are using concave and convex lens. So 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. V is minus 100 and U is minus 25. We'll be solving it out. Minus minus is plus. We'll take the LCM 125, 100. Minus 1 plus 4 is equal to 1 by F. 3 by 100 is equal to 1 by F, or F comes out to be 100 by 3 centimeter, which will be equal to 33.3 centimeter. As focal length is positive, so lens used will be convex. So your nature of the lens comes out to be convex lens. Now we'll use the formula for power. Power is equal to 1 by f when focal length is in meters, but our focal length is in centimeter. 100 divided by focal length is 100 by 3, or you can use 33.3. I am using 100 by 3 so that easily I can get the answer. It will be 3 diopters with a positive sign. So your focal power comes out to be plus 3 diopters. In the same way, we will be doing another numerical based on hypermetropia. The near point of a person suffering from hypermetropia is at 50 centimeter. That means जो hypermetropic eye है उसकी image जो है वो 50 centimeter पे बन रही है, and near point of a normal eye is 25 centimeter. That means you should be at 25 centimeter. You have to find out the nature and power of the lens needed to correct this defect. In the same way, we will be doing this numerical. U is equal to minus 25 centimeter. V will be equal to minus 50 centimeter. We will be using lens formula. 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. V is minus 50, U is minus 25. Minus minus is plus, and we'll be taking LCM of 50 and 25. We'll be getting 50. Minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 1 by F. 1 by 50 is equal to 1 by F, or F comes out to be 50 centimeter. As focal length is positive, so lens used will be convex lens. Now to find out power is equal to 1 by f. As focal length is in centimeters, we'll be multiplying it by 100. It is 2 diopters with a plus sign. So our power comes out to be plus 2 diopters. So in the same way you can solve another numericals based on myopia and hypermetropia. Only the thing you have to remember that you have to take both u and v as negative in both the defects, myopia as well as hypermetropia. myopia और hypermetropia दोनों के न्यूमेरिकल सोल्व करते हुए आपको u और v दोनों ही नेगेटिव कंसिडर करके चलने हैं. That's all for the day. Thank you.